So we've got a lot of measurements on the monitor, pixel resolution, distance away from the screen. Now let's tidy up the other half of the code to now use that information that we had. So the start size, we want to use degrees, so we want to start at 2, go to 20. Now, can we have a fractional or a decimal visual angle? So can we have something like 1.3, 1.4 degrees of visual angle? We can. Before we had pixels, and so we had to have a whole number of pixels. But now that we want to use degrees, we can use fractional degrees. So in here we had to number of frames, that's an integer, increment per frame. We had to force that into an increment, didn't we? So here we can get rid of that increment because we're using degrees, Psychopy and Python in the background will do all the calculations and cross conversions. So we can use that as a float. Hold time is fine. Number of frames, integer, yep. Frames is a whole number, can't have half a frame. Let's put in the screen dimensions now. So that is 1600 by 900. And so now when we make this window object, we're going to give it the screen dimensions, we're going to give it the screen number, so this is number 0. So we're just tidying up the code a bit. The monitor, yep, the test monitor, color is correct. I want to now present it full screen, not just half of the screen, because remember, when we do the actual experiment, it's the whole screen that will be displayed. The units, not pixels, we want degrees. Now, the circle stimulus, we want it to go onto myWin, that's correct. The radius, we want to do the start size. Now, we're just setting this here, but we're not actually calling it to flip it to the screen until we set the radius down here. Okay, but we still have to populate that variable in there. Units, not pixels, we want degrees. Color, black. Line color, black. Edges, 128, good. Do we have to change anything in here? No, because we've already changed that. End size, that's already been changed, so that's going to be in degrees. Good. And then we're closing up at the end. So this should hopefully work. Fingers crossed. We should see a whole screen though. So we can't read the output of the command prompt until afterwards. So enter number of repeats. Let's do it 15 times. So here we go. We've got a stimulus now that if you have an animal here, 30 centimeters away, it should go from 2 to 20 degrees of visual angle. Great, we did it 15 times. That's what we wanted. We've got no timing errors there or warnings. That's it. We've now got a pretty accurate size stimulus. Let's leave it there.